Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, it's been a hell of a day already. Yeah. Sorry this is going to be a little bit late. I'm just now getting ready to video and I had to find space on my camera. I don't know what's going on, so we're just going to punt, okay? And so I have no idea how long this is going to be. But today we are going to be working on, it's called Phoenix and Peony. And it's from Easy Craft Art that I got. It's one of the classical cross stitch, if I could just talk. Yeah, so we're going to be starting right up here in this blue feather. We're not starting with the black, which of course is 310. I can dang near, yep, guarantee it. So, what is everybody up to? Yeah, I'm starting the old way, because I need the easy button this morning. I am telling you. I had to make personal phone calls this morning and get that all straightened out. So I've been on the phone for about 2.5 hours. And, and then the phone thing, yeah, it's just been extra special. So we're just looking for an easy button today. So I don't know why in between all that I waited so long to make a video, but here we are. It just seems like I've got too many pictures and too many apps on my phone, so I had to get rid of a bunch, and it still doesn't help. So, but I'm pretty sure that everything else is, like, what do you call it, uploaded to my computer. I just hate technical crap. It's like, just work, please. So, I have no idea. So, I'm just gonna take a break from thinking so hard. And we're just gonna go with it. Whoops, sorry. Trying to get the light there where you can see. I know I'm kind of feels like I'm working against the light. And today is Wednesday, so it's my so-called Friday. Yeah, I can hardly wait for this whole day to be over with. And the furnace guy is supposed to come tomorrow, hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully he'll show up. So I told him I would block the whole day for him, whatever and whenever he got here. That would be just super awesome. So we will see what is going to happen tomorrow. Last night, I didn't work on anything. I don't think. No, I just was not in the mood. I was too tired when I got home. It was just one of those boring things that just kind of drone and drone and drone on. And by the time I got home, I was just totally done. I may have to end this thread. This thread color is 742. It's a beautiful, like, orange yellow, yellow orange, I guess. This pattern isn't too terribly hard. It's got more background than it does actual pattern, so there's a lot of background to do. But I just needed some color and some positive vibrations, if you will. I don't know what happened to my scissors. It's been that kind of a morning. pretty. It almost matches that background color here. I'll just use up this piece of thread here. And see what happens. Fun, fun, fun times. Today we get our order in, so I don't know how terrible that'll be. It shouldn't be too terrible because we got everything in last week. We didn't go through like an abundance, so we'll see. And the poor boss, she opens today and supposed to work till 2:30. That's 8 hours, but you know, it's order day, so she should be there for a while today, at least till 4 or 5 o'clock. I don't know. Fun stuff. But the only thing I'm looking forward to this week would be going out looking for driftwood, and hopefully we'll get to go do that. We'll see. Hopefully the grandkids, my daughter's kids, those grandkids, the grandkids have Friday off, but they're going to go to Boys and Girls Club, and the Boys and Girls Club are going to go to the pumpkin patch. And it's down in Slida. It's about 30 miles away. They have to take a bus. And I don't know. I guess they get to go pick out a pumpkin. I have no idea. That ought to be interesting, huh? So, that's a good thing. So that should keep them occupied during the day while my daughter and I go do what we're going to do. And of course, my son-in-law, I think he's still home from work probably all this week. I don't know. I haven't heard if he is or he isn't. But yeah. Fun times. Fun times. But I just needed to stitch. And that's probably why I couldn't sleep last night, is because I didn't do any stitching before I went to bed. It usually just totally relaxes me, and I can go right on and go to sleep. But yeah, I had a few other things. It was part of what I had to handle this morning. And of course, I find this out at 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, so I had all that on my brain. It was great. Just special. I was trying to teach my granddaughter the other day how to use the sewing method. You know, because she has such a problem finding the hole underneath. Yeah, just kind of gets her all agitated. So I thought maybe I could teach her how to do the sewing method, and then she wouldn't have to find a hole very far, you know. Because that part's confusing. So we'll see. And I don't know, maybe she's just still too little. She's not grasping the whole thing. I don't know how a 4-year-old ever grasp all this. But I guess some are other... Alright, I'm back. Yeah, this is going to be fun. So we got 15 minutes here. I still can't figure out what I've done wrong. So anyway, yeah, my granddaughter's having problems and issues. You know, trying to find the hold from the bottom, so we'll just keep at it a little bit at a time. Because she's only good for about a 10 or 15 minute session. So we'll see. So, yeah, as you can tell, it's just kind of a messed up week. So hopefully it'll get better. I know that. I'll just take it one day at a time. That's about all I can do. So this will be a fairly short video. Be about 20 minutes or so. Sorry about that, but I will get it figured out by hopefully tomorrow. And we'll see what's going on. Where I'm not so much under the gun trying to figure it out. Heck, it took me, what was it, a month to figure out where my trash was? Holy cow. Yeah. That was insane. Insane. So, anyway, other than that, I just don't know anything. So, I don't know what I'll work on when I get home, or if I'll be capable of seeing things that I can stitch on. You know what I mean, Vern? Oh, goodness. Should be getting some things in fairly quickly. I'm still waiting on about 6 different companies to send me things, as usual, so we'll see. Maybe we'll have some fun stuff to look at. One can never tell. Oh, for pity's sake, would you stop doing that? Holy cow. Alright. I don't know if I can make it back there. Perhaps. Yeah, we got a little bit left. So yeah, hopefully I'll get some orders in and have some different things to look at and some things to share with y'all later in the week. If I can just figure out the phone part of it, well, I'll get it. And if not, I will find somebody that is more tech savvy than me. This has just been a weird video. We're having dysfunctional weeks. This must be dysfunctional Wednesday. Because didn't this happen like last week? On a Wednesday? Holy cow. I'm telling you. Who knows? Well, of course. Hang on. I'm going to pause this one more time. Alright, guys. We're back. Finally got the needle threaded. I had one thread, you know, because I separated it, that only had 2 threads in it, so I must have done the last one in 4 strands. I have no idea. Told you, just not working. It's sewed alright. What can I tell you? Such a pretty color. I love that orange. So vibrant. This will look really vibrant against that black. It'll just be awesome. Well, guys, I think that's going to be it for today. I'm sorry it's so choppy, but we'll get it figured out one way or another. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. Hopefully that's not too shiny. And we will see you tomorrow. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.